Maglalanding ng aming plane. Ayan na, oh, makikita ng mga trees. May mga bahay na doon. Ang ganda ng formation ng bahay.
Hi guys, welcome to Paris. Welcome to Paris, guys. French vlog. Welcome to Paris, guys. See you at Eiffel Tower finally. Ayan, guys.
Itong airport ng Paris, Beauvais. Beauvais. Paano ba i-pronounce yun? Beauvais. Ang lawak. Ang laki ng airport, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang laki. Ayan si Wizz Air Kong.
First time in Paris, guys. Kaya see you later. I explore in Paris with the Wanderers and Skeletor guys. Guys, Paris, guys. Yan. Welcome to Paris. Dito naman kami, guys. Welcome to Paris. Hello, Paris. Ayan, Paris City na. Ayan. Picture muna tayo, ayan, no? To Paris. Ayan. Welcome to Paris, guys! Ayan. We are here in Paris for the first time, guys. Look at guys. Dalagin. Paris bus. Aerobus. To Paris, guys. So, sakay kami ng bus going to hi guys, a little cold here. It's cold. Wow. Ayan, spring, oh. Picture guys, spring, oh. Spring, Paris. Ayan guys, Paris. Here in Paris. Hindi spring sila, guys. Wow, Paris. Oh my goodness. Ang terminal siya. Hi guys, going bus, Ryanair, pa rin yung bus namin. Going to Paris. Ryanair. It's like Paris.